If you're someone who spends a lot of your day sitting down, and let's be real, who isn't these days, then this is for you. We are going to break down exactly how to stretch effectively for our modern, screen-focused bodies.
Okay, so let's just start with a really simple question. Are you sitting down right now? Go on, think about it. I'm going to bet the answer is yes. And look, you are definitely not alone. Most of us are. And our bodies, well, they're paying the price. Seriously, think about that for a second. Our bodies are literally reshaping themselves to fit our chairs. Kind of crazy, right?
So what is that price exactly? Well, let's dive into it. This is what we're calling the modern body's problem.
Okay, take a look at this picture. Does this posture look a little too familiar? Yeah, that head jutting forward, those rounded shoulders, it's the classic desk slump. I mean, it's the position so many of us are in for hours and hours every single day.
You know, this posture actually has a name. It's called upper crossed syndrome. Basically, it's what happens when the muscles in your neck, shoulders, and chest get all out of whack. Imagine a big X drawn across your upper body. Some muscles, like in your chest and upper back, get super tight and overworked, while others, like the ones in the front of your neck, get weak and lazy. A total imbalance. And that imbalance, it leads to some really common and really annoying problems. We're talking about that nagging neck and upper back pain, tension headaches that just won't quit, even tightness in your chest. And hey, it's not just from sitting at a computer, it's from driving, biking, and constantly looking down at your phone. Sound familiar? So, what do we do about it? The obvious answer is stretching, right? But wait a minute. It's not as simple as just grabbing an arm and yanking on it. Oh no. There is absolutely a right way and a very wrong way to do it. So first things first, you got to know there are two main types of stretching. You've got dynamic stretching, that's active stuff, like arm circles or leg swings, that's your warm-up. And then you have static stretching. That's where you hold a stretch for a while. This is for your cool down. And listen, getting this order wrong, it can actually do more harm than good. And this quote is the perfect way to think about it. Think about holding an uncooked noodle. It will snap. After you cook it, it'll be a softer, more pliable noodle. Your muscles are exactly like that noodle. Trying to hold a deep, static stretch when your muscles are cold is like trying to bend a dry piece of spaghetti. Snap. It's just asking for an injury. You've got to warm them up first with some gentle movement. All right, so we've talked about when to stretch. Now let's get into the how, because this is where the real magic happens. It's all about this incredible connection between your mind, your breath, and your muscles. So here's the thing you really need to get. A good stretch isn't about forcing a muscle to do something. It's not a fight. It's actually a conversation with your nervous system. See, your brain has these little bodyguards in your muscles, and if you stretch too far or too fast, they freak out and tighten everything up to protect you. So the real goal is to convince those bodyguards that everything's okay, that it's safe to, let go. And what's the most powerful tool you have to send that it's all good signal? It's your breath. It's amazing, right? When we're stressed out, our breathing gets all shallow, our muscles get tight, and it becomes this awful cycle. But taking a deep, controlled breath, that's like hitting the reset button. It literally tells your nervous system, hey, you can relax now. It's safe to let go. Here's a super simple technique you can use anytime, anywhere. It's called 4-4-8 breathing. It goes like this. You breathe in through your nose for a slow count of 4. Then you just hold it for a count of 4. And then you let it all out really slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. That long exhale is the key. Just do that 3 or 4 times before you stretch or, honestly, anytime you feel yourself getting tense. Okay, enough talk. Let's actually put this stuff into practice. I'm going to walk you through a super quick 5-minute desk reset. It's a simple routine you can do, right where you're sitting right now. First up, let's work on that neck tension. So sit up nice and tall. Now gently tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. You can even use your right hand to add just a tiny bit of pressure, but be gentle. We're looking for nice, mild tension, not sharp pain, okay? Now hold it there for about 15 to 30 seconds, and don't forget to breathe deeply. Good. Now let's do the other side. Okay, next up, the shoulders and upper back. Go ahead and bring your right arm straight across your chest. Now use your left hand to gently pull it in a little closer. You should feel a really nice stretch in the back of your shoulder. And a quick tip, try to keep your shoulders down, don't let them creep up to your ears. Just hold it, breathe, and then switch arms. All right, let's not forget our hands and wrists. If you're typing all day, this is a lifesaver. So stick one arm straight out in front of you with your palm facing up. Now, with your other hand, Gently press your fingers down toward the floor. Feel that? Hold it. Okay. Now flip your hand over so your palm is facing down and gently pull your fingers back towards your body. Bam! You just stretched both sides of your forearm.
And for the grand finale of our little reset, let's get the spine moving. Sit up tall and just gently twist your upper body to the right. You can place your left hand on your right knee to help guide the twist, but don't force it. Just go as far as feels good. Hold it for a couple of breaths, really feel that release in your lower back, and then slowly come back to the center and do the other side.
And that's it. See? A simple little reset you can do anytime. But you know, the real goal here is to make this a habit, to make it stick. So let's wrap this up with a few golden rules to make stretching a real part of your life. Okay, so these are your golden rules. Number 1, always warm up first. Just remember the noodle, okay? 2, don't bounce. Ever. Bouncing can actually hurt your muscles. 3, stretch until you feel mild tension, not sharp pain. Pain is your body telling you to back off. 4, breathe. Slow and deep. It's your superpower. And finally, number 5, try to keep good posture while you're stretching. Don't trade one slump for another. Which brings us to our last and honestly the most important question. Because this isn't just about knowing stuff, it's about doing stuff. So I want you to really think about your day. What's one small movement, just one single stretch we talked about, that you can build into your daily routine, starting right now?